Chinese Tesla competitor skyrockets nearly 350% in 2 days after announcing it will launch vehicles in the U.S. next month. Chinese electric vehicles in the U.S. next month. What do you think Trump's doing here in that news?
Building a wall.
Oh, God. Let me tell you the craziest part about this. This company, Candy Technologies, announced on Wednesday it's going to launch 2 electric vehicles. Now, Will, I want you to take a guess. Don't scroll down yet. The entry-level electric vehicle that they're going to sell, first of all, it's going to have a $100 deposit, 2 models, K27, K23. The compact K27 starts at how much USD? After federal tax credits.
$5,000.
Oh, that's rude. Why'd you have to do that to me? I did all this build up. You're supposed to guess reasonable, and then I shock you with the low price. $12,999. Okay, so it's not $5,000, but it's a lot cheaper than a Tesla.
Yeah.
And maybe this has something to do with Elon saying, hey, our biggest problem is we still don't have a cheap Tesla. And he might be right, because these guys come and it's affordable and it's efficient, and the market, with the soft market and the retail sector and people chilling and traveling short distances, commuting less often those far distances. People are at home. They're not heading to the big city office or whatever it might happen to be. You can imagine, because, of course, the big hit you take with the cheap EV is the range. And I believe this K27 model is a 100-mile range.
What does it look like?
Am I crazy? Let me see here. Is it a 100-mile range? I believe so. It's a short-range vehicle. It's nowhere near what you can get with a Model 3. Yeah, you should go check out what it looks like, though, because I don't know if you're going to be in the market for it once you see the way it looks. Type in Candy, K-A-N-D-I, K27. What do you say, Will?
This thing? This red thing?
Yeah. What do you say?
I mean, for $12,000?
Can you boot around town in it or what?
For $12,000? Yeah. Yeah, I could drive this.
Sure, man. And
or it can drive itself.
You get the... No, it cannot drive itself. You can get the federal tax credit as well, because it's an EV. You could drive in the carpool lane because it's an EV, if you're willing to take that thing on the highway. And you can do the cost savings on the gas you're not buying anymore.
Yeah.
But I don't think it would work for your commute right now because, like I said, I think it's only 100 miles. Let's do a quick search on that. Candy EV. Which model is that? Remind me.
K27.
K27 range. We got to get the right number on this. It is 100 miles.
Okay.
100 miles. Top speed of 63 miles an hour.
Oh. For some reason, I automatically thought it was like an AI component that it would drive itself, but never mind. It's just
not
electric.
At that price, Will. You got to
no.
Take it easy, man. Trying to get it all for nothing here. Don't you think Elon would have done that for you if he could?
Yeah.
No, you got to get a Model 3 still, and you're going to have to spend a few more bucks to get those type of features. It kind of looks like a Honda Fit.
In a way, yeah.
A little bit, maybe.
That kind of like rounded shell. On
yeah.
the top.
Anyway, popular in China, coming here or coming to the U.S. I don't know about Canada. We'll have to wait and see. But they think they're going to be disruptive. Tesla's Model 3, the lowest price for that is $31,690, including its savings through tax credits. So that's a lot more money than $13,000. You could get 2 of these instead of 1 Model 3. So I don't know. Maybe a future we see those on the roads. But that said, people here have been apprehensive around the subcompact scale of it. Maybe you should check out the other one, the larger K23 model, which is odd. You have the smaller number, but the bigger unit. Oh, that's the K.
That one looks like a transformer.
That's the K23 one. The front end looks very strange on that.
Yeah.
All right, we got to wait and see if they can sell any of these. It's going to be a price play. Those looking for ultimate efficiency and the low price tag. Now,